one, fight!
Namaskar, welcome back to our channel Zubshiv blog. What is the plan? Namaskar from his side, from us, from everyone. Today, Namaskar and love. So, आज चाहिँ हामी बुर्ज पार्कमा क्यानन फायरवर्क हेर्न जाँदैछौँ. Where are you going? Burj Park. Where are you going, little one?
We're going to watch the cannon. Fire. And then maybe a awkward.
This is opera.
I've seen this a billion times.
Yes. What's that sound, man?
Some supercar.
Huh?
Some supercar.
Supercar.
It's a Lamborghini, a Rolls Royce. All on my side.
हामी पर्दा जस्तो छ आज
मौसम त त्यस्तै छ.
मजाले
यो चाहिँ दुबई अपेराको सेटअप भयो रमदानको. अब रमदान चाहिँ अराउन्ड 5 दिन बाँकी छ. What is bigger than you?
No market.
No, you're bigger than the pot.
It's by a little bit. Where are we going?
We are going to Burj Park. अब बुर्ज पार्क जाँदैछौँ. यो डाउनटाउन होटल भइहाल्यो. हाम्रो भिडियोमा धेरै त अलरेडी आइसकेको छ नि डाउनटाउन एरिया पनि.
It's like our second one.
डाउनटाउन एरिया. यहाँ बुर्ज खलिफा भइहाल्यो.
Yeah.
Where is the Burj Park? Going like this. It's going. So can we go?
बादल पनि लागेको छ, पानी पर्छ जस्तो पनि छ.
If it rains, imagine it rains when they shoot the cannon. That would be amazing.
Yeah, but how about the phone? You gotta put it.
It's waterproof.
So your phone can never break from my water.
कहाँ छ त क्यानन? पोहोर त यहीँ थियो नि होइन बेबी?
I think it's over there.
कहाँ? कि टाइम भएपछि मात्रै ल्याउने. पोहोर त यहीँ थियो उयो ठ्याक्कै यहीँ गरिहाल्ने होइन र?
बाह्रहरू त लगाएको छ त्यहाँ.
हो?
I don't know. Oh, is that? I don't know. पोहोर त्यहाँ थियो नि. त्यही छ होला. त्यही भएर त्यहाँ बार लगाएको छ.
मलाई त पुरा उयो यो राउन्ड छ नि यो यहाँनिर जस्तो लाग्यो. हो र उतै थियो. यो त्यो स्ट्याचु भन्नेर हो त्यसमै त्यहाँ थियो.
Let's go check. Ship goes in on it. It's not a ship.
त्यो 12 लाखको हिसाबले त त्यहीँ छ होला जस्तो. मान्छेहरू बिहाको फोटोसुटमा हिँडेर जस्तो छ. त्यहाँ सोधौँ न छोरा.
Professionally cool, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
See, faster than that train. Look at it, it's so slow.
Faster than you.
चुचु ट्रेन भनेर देखायो दाइले. चुचु ट्रेन चाहियो अरे भाइलाई
In that bush?
भनेर.
Bush and then where? Come back?
This is the bar.
हामी चाहिँ यहाँ माथि बुर्ज पार्कमा छौँ मान्छेहरू फोटोसुट गर्दैछन् बिहाको ओके maybe wedding photo shoot pre-wedding photo shoot something like that
Oh, what the hell? Look at that bird. Look, it's blue. No, look at that bird.
कहाँ
It has blue, like arm or something. There, sitting on this side right now.
Oh, yeah.
where
Here. There, on the light bulb.
okay this one yeah I saw
See, blue. Look, you see that?
yeah I saw wings
Yeah. And look at this blue bird. Watch when it flies. Oh, look. You guys supposed to take one video when the cannon is coming.
आइसकेको छ क्यानन चाहिँ
Baba is saying, go tell the police guy you want to go sit in the car and take a ride.
No, I'm not saying
How the hell can I say that?
he's scared
It's not scary, it's just like, I don't know. It doesn't feel right.
I will ask for you don't worry
You will ask, but I have to sit.
yeah you want me to sit I am an adult you guys are kids
I'm not taking the ride.
Tell him let's put Shivangs on the cannon and let's send him like a missile.
एउटा बच्चा यहाँ कुरेर बसेको छ कहिले सुरु हुन्छ भनेर अब चाहिँ हामी पुलिसलाई सोध्न जाँदैछौँ पिक्चर भिडियोज लिनुहुन्छ लिउँ भनेर if he agrees then yes we are going to take
It looks like he's taking pictures.
it's okay to take video it's fine yeah ठुला ठुला बिल्डिङहरू छन् क्यानन फायरवर्क सुरु हुन चाहिँ त्यस्तै बाँकी छ 1 घन्टा जस्तो त्यही भएर हामी चाहिँ एकछिन यसो हिँडडुल गरेर फेरि आउनु पर्यो भनेर हिँड्दैछौँ यहाँ चाहिँ पहिला बोटिङ पनि हुन्थ्यो क्या अरे अहिले पनि हुन्छ होला टाइमिङ चाहिँ खोइ थाहा भएन अहिले खाने पानी हो कि घुम्दै फिर्दै रुम्जाटार भने जस्तै हामी चाहिँ यो क्यानन फायर भएको ठाउँमा आइपुग्यौँ अझै टाइम भएको छैन त्यही भएर चाहिँ घुम्दैछौँ यताउता यहाँ चाहिँ एउटा स्ट्याचु छ I'm telling you, you went this side. And why are you upset?
Delete this footage. Delete that footage. Delete it.
White cat is upset face. He couldn't find his brother, and he is blaming me why I let him go. What if he gets lost here? But he will know it's here, Burj, so he will come. No?
But when he
Don't
comes,
worry.
he's gonna miss the show.
It's too many people also already gathered here. In next 10 minutes.
He went with Baba.
You saw him now? This is why he really worries about his brother. Why you let him go? He was so upset with me. Attacked me with his paws. Now he is smiling finally. He saw his brother. His brother is coming. Your eldest one was, Dada was too much worried. Why, where is Sivangs? And then I said, I don't know, he went here, you know. And then he went all the way to look there. He came vacating upset. Why did you let him go? What if he gets missed? Too much worried. Oh my goodness. But went together, see?
Now they are preparing. You could have asked that guy to play football.
Okay, now let's go.
No, but yeah.
So this cannon firing, as oh my goodness, too many people gathered already. See, now we'll not get the spot maybe. And it's evening, so sunset is at 6:41.
You're supposed to go 6:45.
6:45.
There on top. We go.
6:45. So you know, the cannon firing will happen at that time to announce the azan. Right, iftar. Look at this man. What is that look? I'm going to wear my slippers. What is that look? Boys come. Boys come. He is trying to tell us to get one spot there. So I'm just following him.
No. 5 minutes.
I know.
Hello, Baba. We went in a slide. It was really fun.
I asked you, do you want to go on the side? You like go.
Which slide?
Go over there. Not on the 3 lights.
Why?
Even this light is just turned on now.
Yeah, blue.
So how's Baba going to see?
Huh? He doesn't care. He's seeing it every day. His office is there.
Every year he sees it. How many times has he seen it? Like 5, 2, 3 times?
So what do you think about them?
אז אנחנו רואים את הצד השני.
Who wants a free cat?
לא, יש לזה. לא, יש.
The fly just came right in my right there. Yeah, like that. That's exactly how I felt.
בסדר, אבל יש כמה...
Can you tell? Sivangs, where are you going?
I can see clearly from here. I'm closing my ears. Mayday, mayday, mayday.
It's gonna take a long time. Yeah, I still have time.
Mayday. I don't want to listen to it. Nothing happened to me. I closed my ears. Good thing I got the protection for my ears.
You felt the wind?
Yeah.
So how do you feel, guys?
Ah, the smell. What the hell is the smell? Disgusting.
Look.